and we're absolutely out of breath. Totally unfit.
We are Samm'y and Stue'y.
Welcome to our New Zealand adventures.
Let's go.
Y'all got dreams. Y'all want
Hotels.
But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Please help us by clicking that subscribe button, like, and the notification bell for more content.
Hello!
Hi guys.
So we're here at Arthur's Pass and we've driven here from Aoraki, just outside Christchurch, taken us about
2.5 hours?
a good 2.5 hours. Rain coming over, so a little bit longer than anticipated. So we are going to go on a walk, just a short walk.
Yeah, there's anything from 20 minutes to about 2.5 hours. It is about 5:30, so we're thinking about doing a short walk so we can get to the campground.
So we're going to go on Devil's Punch Bowl walk up to see some waterfalls. So we shall see you up there.
Yep. See the waterfall in the distance, just this little bridge to go across, pretty dry. So the rivers are only small at the moment, but you can imagine how wide it can be.
There's our van down there somewhere. A maximum of 10 people on the bridge at one time. So Stuart and I have only climbed about 10 steps of the stairs and we're absolutely out of breath. Totally unfit. I'm absolutely knackered.
Hi guys.
Hello.
We made it to the Devil's Punch Bowl waterfall.
Probably a little bit louder.
Turn around so you can see the waterfall. You can see that. So I would have liked to have put the drone in down below us and took it up the river, the waterfall, but it's a bit windy, I didn't really do it. So
I don't want to be going and swimming and finding that, not up here.
I love nice crystal clear water.
It is beautiful and well worth the walk. Even though by the time you get up here, you're hyperventilating, and like me, you want to go to the toilet every 5 minutes. But
Well,
I'll have to wait until I get back in the van.
They did say it's a 20-minute walk. What they didn't say it's about 900 metre elevation.
No elevators!
Yeah, no elevators, so that's a walk.
Knackered, but now we're going down. Going downstairs.
Hi guys, tonight we're going to be having green-lipped mussels in a white wine garlic sauce. I was trying to get tagliatelle, but we only managed to get pasta. We got spaghetti, so it's going to be on spaghetti bed. As you can see, look at the size of those green-lipped mussels, huge, native of New Zealand. You can get the black ones as well, but the green-lipped ones grow a lot quicker, 18 months than that sort of size. So just my able assistant here is going to go and clean these for me. We need to clean the beard off. So clean the beard off there, and any barnacles or anything on the outside, just scrape them off and clean them in fresh water. So the onions are nice and soft, onions and garlic, and all I've done is once they're nice and soft, I've put a bit of white wine in there. So I just want to let that simmer a bit, get the alcohol off the white wine. The pasta's boiling away very nicely. I want that nice al dente, so I'm going to add that to the sauce once it's ready. It really is easy to make pasta. If you've done it once with double O flour before and a pasta machine, once you've done it once, you won't be going down to dry pasta anymore. It is really easy to use. My glamorous assistant, Samantha.
Holly Willabooby.
No, Holly Willabooby wasn't available for this recipe, so I've got Sam to do it for me. But she's cleaned up the green-lipped mussels, ready for the pot. The smell in here is gorgeous. I don't know if you can see from the onion and the garlic and the white wine is just simmering away just to burn off that alcohol from the white wine. But the smell in here is absolutely gorgeous. So it just shows you that, you know, even though you're restricted to 2 burners and a very limited preparation space, you can make some really nice meals. Let's hope it's really nice anyway. So the pasta's not far off at the moment. Just going to just try that. So what we're going to do now, the pasta has now been cooked and I've strained it. With only having 2 hobs, I've had to strain the pasta and keep it to one side, just in a bowl, keep it nice and warm. With your mussels, just make sure before you put them in the pan that once you've cleaned them, just make sure they are closed. If there's any that are not quite closed, just squeeze them and they should gently slow close down. If there's any that's open, throw them out. Okay, likewise, once you've cooked them, if there's any that haven't opened up, throw them out as well, because you don't want to be bad with them. But we've got a large saucepan with a bit of water. I would have liked to have done it at home. I would have done them in white wine. So white wine, just a 3/4 of an inch. Throw the mussels in, 2-3 minutes in there until they've all opened up. And then I would have used that white wine in with the stock. But with having limited within a camper van and limited stoves, we are limited what we can do. I'm just going to stick some cream into this garlic and onion and white wine sauce. I'm going to throw in some of these mussels, let them steam for a couple of minutes. And what we want to be doing is open them up and taking the mussel out. We want to just make sure they've got no parasitic crab in there. It's a tiny little crab that likes to get inside a mussel. And it won't do you any harm. George Washington, I believe, used to eat the little crabs inside a mussel, should I say. Little parasitic crab. But don't worry about it, they won't do you any harm. But I just want to make sure we've got none of them in there. The mussels have been taken out of the shells. They're all nice and clean. All we're going to do now is stick those mussels in there just to get the flavour and the juice into the sauce. And then we're going to stick that pasta on top and let the pasta soak up all those juices. So I've just put the pasta inside with the sauce and the mussels, and let's serve. So there we have it, green-lipped mussels in a garlic and white wine sauce on a bed of spaghetti.
Please help us by clicking that subscribe button, like, and the notification bell for more content.